ready yet? Wait.
It's your girl GlamNefercent here. Big at it again with the big at it again. And yes, I am looking like somebody's auntie. Okay. Yes, today I will be showing you guys how I lazily blend my natural hair with my weave. So first you want to put on a stocking cap on some braids. I do have leave out because this is a flip over method wig that I made. If you guys do want to see how I made it, it will be in the description box. I always put on my wig grip because it holds my wigs in place. Ladies, listen, get you a wig grip. I also have a video on this that will also be down below. And yes guys, I actually have too much leave out, but don't worry about that. So I'm gonna just curl up my hair by using the Curl Boss coconut curling jelly from Aunt Jackie's. I believe this was like $7 at the beauty supply store. And I'm just gonna put that on my hair so it can kind of wave up a little bit. And yes guys, this is how I do it when I'm feeling lazy, if I don't feel like doing too much to it. And some of you probably are cringing like, oh my god, why is she putting all that gel in her hair? But this is Aunt Jackie's. It's really not harmful to my hair. I like to just use a hard brush and just brush that in. And yes guys, the sides I will be pinning back, and I do have like a big twist in the front. I'm telling you, this is my lazy way. I will be using the Gorilla Snot for my edges as well. You really don't need all these gels, but yeah, this is my my edge brush or whatever. Guys, honestly, I'm really not that good with edges and my vision is really not that good. So I was trying my best to kind of see in the monitor with these bright ass lights. Like, please forgive me. But I did it to the best of my abilities. I'm not really a baby hair girl, but I try to do the best I can. And to hold it all together, I like to use the Got To Be spray, free spray. Finally got my hands on this, guys, so I was beasting to wear it. But yeah, finally got it, guys. And I'm just gonna tie my hair up. Okay, just gonna tie my hair up. If you guys are wondering, I do have that twist because I was gonna do like a nice little flat twist out. And I went and got dressed and I just let that sit on my head. Now I'm taking off my scarf, guys. And as you guys can see, it kind of curled up like my hair, and my edges is okay. So I will be needing some pins to pin down the top of the wig, even though it doesn't really need it. And yes, this is the wig that I just made. Please look at the video in the description box so you guys can hear all about this color. Okay. And yeah, you just want to put your wig on. I really do not need all of this leave out, guys. Now that I'm thinking about it, this is just too much leave out, which is also too much work. So I will be braiding up my damn leave out. So yeah, I like to just place it right like underneath my leave out, as you guys can see. Like to place it right underneath there, and I also like to pin that. So yes, this is a flip over method, so this can be worn in the middle or on either side. So yeah, I just like to pin that down right behind my leave out so it can kind of stay in place so that it doesn't slide back. Even though the wig grip has it under control, I still like to do that. Okay, and I will be wearing this the flip method way. So I will be pinning down each side. As you guys can see, I'm just gonna bunch it all up together very lazily and just stick a pin right in there. Okay, as long as my edges look a little wavy, like that's all I really care about. And the tracks are hidden, that's all I really care about. And I'm gonna do the other side the same way. Alright guys, you do not have to do it this way. This is just how I do it on my lazy day. I will do another one on how I can do it better. This is just my easy 5-minute 10-minute way. And all I did was just place my twist in between the hair, and that was it, guys. Put it on my earrings and I am out the door. It's really not that bad. As long as when the wind blow, my hair still look good. That's all I really care about. And this is how I usually wear my hair. It's convenient, it's simple, and all of that. I just decided to just, you know, bring the twist around my edges like how it is. And that was it, guys. This is how the back looks. It's just very nice and vibrant and pretty. Okay, simple, easy, out the door. You don't even got to use all the products that I use. It's just what works on my hair, and it's not drying or harsh or anything like that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Check out my other videos that will be listed in the description box. And yes, guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next video. Later.
The dick good, thick, big and long, 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 big and long.
Touch. Can you play that again?
My neck, my back, my neck, my back. The dick good, my neck, my back, my neck, my back. The dick good, my back.